it's Sharice with OoLaLaBlog.com, a fashion and lifestyle blog where I share style tips, shopping guides, and my absolute favorite thing, ways to save. Today's video, though, is all about styling. I am sharing some major style tips and some awesome outfit inspiration over here. So this is the deal. I bought this plaid blazer along with this mini skirt because this is a two-piece. This is a two-piece. I bought this mini skirt and the blazer from H&M, and I am showing you how I'm taking these two pieces and creating multiple outfits. Okay, that's one, showing you how to maximize your wardrobe. It's showing you two, how to get the most bang for your buck. So you buy two pieces, okay, well, it can stretch and it can go a long way, and I'm showing you how to get it done in this video. So I am sure this video is going to help a lot of ladies out there, so make sure you keep watching. All right, so first up, sis, let's get into the pieces. All right, the blazer is everything. It's everything that I could possibly want in a plaid blazer. It's slightly oversized, but it still has a nice fit. I am wearing a medium. It hits like right here, mid hip, so it's a good length. The skirt, on the other hand, when they said mini skirt, they're not playing, sis. It's a real mini skirt. Like, it's a mini skirt. But I am wearing a 6 in the mini skirt. I definitely should have went up to an 8, but by the time I received my pieces in the mail, it was probably like 3 or 4 weeks later. Mini skirts weren't available in the store or online, so I kept the 6, and I'm just gonna make it do what it do. So the thing with the skirt, though, the 6 is fine as far as like it fits my waist or whatnot, but the hips, baby, the hips, that's a whole nother ball game. So my hips are a 40. So if you have a bigger hips, I would suggest maybe sizing up if you don't want the skirt to be too short. So let's just get into the outfits, and I want you to see how I really take these pieces and do the doggone thing. Let's get into it. So we're starting from scratch. This is the basics, okay? So you have the blazer, you have the skirt, and I'm gonna wear this in the most traditional sense in the beginning so you can get a look of how the suit looks. Here it is, just regular degular, but the print is popping and the style is popping. But you know, this is the traditional way of how people would wear a skirt and a blazer. I added a pair of tan boots to the look. These are Sam Edelman's. I added this tan bag to match, and here I go. Look is a bomb, okay? Just as it is. Nothing extra, just wearing it as it is perfect. But I wanted to make it a little fall ready, wanted to make it good for the cooler weather. So I added a turtleneck to the look. Super cute. Ditched the boots and added another pair of boots. These are so fun. I love them. My mom says they look like witch boots, but they're still cute. Also Sam Edelman. So I keep the boots on, and now I add a pair of jeans to the look. Jeans really give it a Saturday, Sunday weekend feel. This is perfect for brunching it with the girls. It's perfect to run a few errands, to look cute, going to TJ Maxx, going into H&M to buy another blazer. So this is cute. This is just a really good Saturday look. I really love this with the girlfriend jeans. It's just fun and easy breezy. So we're switching it up again, and I added my green croc booties from Just Fab and a faux leather green top. And the faux leather green shirt makes this a little bit more nighttime. So it's weekend still, but it's weekend nights. This gives it a more, I just feel like this is like nighttime, girl. I added a pop of color with the blue bag, and we're good to go. So this look right here is super casual. This is a casual weekend look, or you can wear it during the week. You know, maybe a Friday at the office, a pair of cargos, a nice little hoodie, throw on your blazer and boots, good to go. Also good for the weekend. The blazer gives you so many combinations, and that's why I love the blazer. The blazer is just perfect, but I love blazers anyway. So let's see what we can do with the skirt, okay? So I made the skirt just a little bit more casual and threw on a sweatshirt. Female equals future. If you don't know, now you know, okay? Shout out to Biggie. So I added a pair of blue boots with the look and some knee-high socks. Or I would say these are over-the-knee socks. I added this green purse and we're good to go. I threw on this green shearling jacket that I got from a thrift store. It is so cute and I just think it just finishes the look. It's perfect. Real easy peasy, okay? So the skirt is a little difficult, I'll tell you that just off the top. The skirt is kind of hard to work with because it's short. It's really short. It is a mini skirt. But I didn't expect it to be like a mini. But this thing is a mini, okay? It's still cute, don't get me wrong, but it's not a lot that I can do with this mini skirt just because it's so short. I still like it a lot. I definitely just should have went up a size. But anyway, back to these cute looks here, okay? So the skirt look is cute. This is still a casual look though. I know because I had the boots on. The skirt, you may think it's still dressy, but it's really not. It's still just casual. The boots make it casual. The sweatshirt makes it casual. The jacket is also a casual one. It's what I would consider a little laid-back fab. So laid-back fab has been my go-to for this entire season. And, you know, it's working, so I'm sticking with it. I also paired the skirt with a cream turtleneck and a cream coat. It is super cute. I really love this look. I didn't think I would like it as much as I do, but I actually really like it. The only thing I would change is the boots. Instead of ankle boots, I would wear knee-length boots. So the Sam Edelman boots that I wore at the beginning of this video, I would wear with this skirt just to give it a little bit, just to change it up a bit. I don't think the ankle boots are doing the look any justice, so I would switch out the boots, and that's the only thing. I also had another skirt look that didn't make the cut because my SD card got messed up, but I paired the skirt with a gold turtleneck and a blue blazer, and it's actually really cute. So it was actually my favorite look, and I'm probably going to refer to it again at the end of the video. Unfortunately, you don't get to see it, so you'll have to take my word for it, but it is still super cute. Now back to the blazer, because the blazer is so good. You know, I keep telling you guys, the blazer is so good. You can't go wrong with the blazer at all. So I paired this blazer with a faux leather leggings. So cute, so cute. And I decided not to wear anything under the blazer, so I just felt like this look was super sexy with a pair of rose gold metallic heels. It was just a sexy vibe. And here's the blazer and the faux leather leggings again, but I decided to give it a layered look with a sweatshirt and a overcoat on top. So just really good here, just really good. All right, ladies, I really enjoyed this video. I say that all the time, but I'm really having fun because this is the kind of thing that I love. I love fashion. I love creating outfits. I love providing value to other women and just helping ladies if I can. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys and you got some major style inspiration and some outfit ideas to recreate along the way. So for me, I'm just going to say I loved every look involving the blazer. The blazer is perfect in every kind of way. So I did find it a little bit tough trying to recreate outfits with the skirt. That's the thing, because it's just kind of short for me. So I may not wear the skirt as often as I'm going to wear this blazer. The blazer is on repeat. She is going to be on repeat this winter, next fall, and plenty of falls after that, okay? Season to season to season. So I want to know which look was your favorite. Are you feeling like me? Blazer styles and blazer outfits are your jam, or you liked a lot of the skirt looks? So if I had to pick a skirt look, I would definitely go with the one with the gold turtleneck and the blue blazer. I really like that, and I actually kind of like the casual look too, because that's kind of my vibe. I love the green coat, the sweatshirt, the boots. That's real casual, but it's still cute. And I'm all about laid back fab, cute and casual. And so that definitely provided a good little vibe there. So I definitely want to hear from you. Which looks did you like? Let's chit chat down in the comments. And if you like this video, found it helpful, please share it with your homegirl. Sharing is caring these days. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.